Hey there friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make really awesome YouTube thumbnails for your videos totally for free. Let's jump into it. Okay, so I'm currently on canva.com. This is a great website. You can actually create a free account. There's a pro version that costs a little bit per month, but it may be worth it for the extra templates and free stock photography, things like that you get. But again, you don't need that. The free version is good enough. So we're on our homepage, and what we're going to do is we're going to come over to social media. This is going to allow us to choose some templates to make our YouTube thumbnails out of. So once I click on social media, we're going to have a number of different options that populate down here. It's going to use my arrow button. I'm going to scroll over, and as you can see, one of the options is a YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to click on that, and this is going to bring us onto our design page. Now, the really cool thing about Canva, like I said, is they have an amazing number of free templates that you can just use as a starting place. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different fun thumbnail options. To start with, we can just scroll down here. If you like a specific style, you can see maybe you have a travel channel. You really like that. Let's go ahead and click on this. You can see more travel style templates that they have. And let's say we like, this one looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and bring this one in. We can just click on it and it will populate our design section here. So now we have a bunch of different elements, as you can see, that will allow us to select and change and adjust and use our own elements in here so that it matches our channel branding. So let's start down here with our text. I'm just going to highlight this, and I'm just going to call this my YouTube video. Okay, and then maybe we want to change up this element in the back. You can see it's this black kind of squiggle lines. Maybe we want that to be, I don't know, something a little brighter. We can come down here and choose, let's do purple. Make it really poppy like that. And then let's say we want to change this option. So this is kind of cool because it looks like it's basically a Polaroid image here. And what we can do is we can actually just change the internal picture. So let's come over here to photos and let's pick something that's a little more travel based. Let's do mountains. And if I click on that, we're going to get some pictures for free that we can use. You can see down here, if you see this little crown, that means it's a pro picture and you can't use that unless you have a pro account. But look, all these are free. So let's come up here and take this shot of the mountains. Let's drag it over here. And as you can see, it automatically populates right in there to give us that great Polaroid feel. All right, one last thing to change is obviously the background here. I want something that matches our channel a little bit more. So let's come up here and let's type in hiking. Click on that. And then we got some more free photos right here. I'm going to grab this one. And I'm just going to drag it over here to the main image. As you can see, that automatically populates right in the space. There's all sorts of other elements you can obviously add. You can come down here and add elements this way if you want specific images, shapes, those kind of things. You can also come over here and add text. Some of these texts are really, really cool. You can bring in something like this that just goes all the way across your image. And then you can come over here and you can adjust it using some of these little buttons here. You can adjust the sizing and obviously change what that wording says. Maybe we want to just say hike or something like that. So again, tons of different things to play around with. Again, these images and these templates are really, really cool to work from to really help your YouTube thumbnails pop. And there you go. If you're happy with this, we can actually download it from this area up here. The PNG is the highest quality version that you can get on the free account. But again, it is perfect. It's great for your channel. And just hit the download button and that'll move to your computer's download folder. Friends, I hope that helps. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? And stay tuned because we're actually making a ton more Canva videos and those are going to be coming out really, really soon. All right, we'll see you again on the next one.